Kehenyo trap Youth Council lembaga Socio Cultural Cell haka khan riu trap ukala lengkat kala penlong ke program Sam Khusnam yaki Nongjop Jingiakob Thoh bat Pule Poitri online gibajop kilong yaka kerdan benengkong layo do samla banjop kharmalki yaka kerdan kebaar layo da kasamla lahun daka senrem badi kerdan balai layo do samla Freddy Majau hakani ke Jingiakob Thoh Poitri ladan hadu kumpa ndreu phun reu ngut gibakan thup nadu kirangba gisamla hadu ki hybrid kabal sedang nadu benai no pra arjar arbusan bankan ma buram ya kasngi yap kaba prabusau jong balung susutam hakani kasngi ba roy ku persendram haba ajing kren ulong ba ketien kasi kalong kebrus pak shibon kumta la penlong ikani ke program ban pendek pensa ya ketien ketle jang gacaj benri
of this program, the poetry recital and writing program of HYC under the socio-cultural cell was held in the month of December. Of course, we have meant to distribute the prizes and announce the winner on the 18th of December, which is the death anniversary of one of our famous writer and visionary, Umalung Susotham. But due to the large number of participants in this program, we were not able to announce the winner. Today, on the 16th of January 2026, we have hold this short program to distribute the prizes to the three winners of this competition that was held, that was organized by the HYC Socio-Cultural Cell. Our main objective is to make our youths, especially, foray into writing, so that our language, the Khasi language, which we as a community have been demanding a long time back to be included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Of course, the Indian government has shown a reservation. They have told that Khasi language is maybe not yet fit to be included into the 8th schedule. But our contention has always been that our language is very rich. It has been studied from the primary level up to the PhD level. We have Our writers have produced a lot of books, and if you look at the overall condition of our language, it is very rich. But nevertheless, our efforts is still to make Khasi as one of the our language a very rich language, so that government of India as well as other institutions know that Khasi, that though we may be small in numbers when it compares to the population, but our language, our books, our literature is quite rich, and we deserve to be included into the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India.